Hi, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today we have shipping. Come on along and I'll show you what I have to ship out today. So I'll show you what sold over the weekend. It really wasn't that busy, but that's okay. I don't mind. I enjoy doing other things like cleaning my garage. I also had time to do a lot of listing, which was nice. So it's a good trade-off, I think, once in a while, not to be so busy. So coming along, I'll show you what I have to ship out. This is a Marona velour hoodie sweatshirt, midnight blue hooded medium. So this one's going out, and they're all in at $18.99. It's probably about what I paid for it. This is just one of my own, and I've been getting rid of all my velour outfits. I'm not actually sure if I even wore this one, but I did wash it, so I listed it as pre-owned. So that one's going out to Rachel. Thank you so much, Rachel. Okay, so here I have it wrapped in this matching blue paper that I got off the eBay store, and the little stickers. My thank you card. And this one's going out. I'm going to wrap it in this. I did not put my tripod up because I hurt my back really bad. I was test driving a car and the seat, when I pushed the button, whacked me in the back. I am in so much pain, so I'm moving a little slow. So here is the cute little envelope I'm going to put it in there, and this will be ready to go, and it's just at that first class rate. So okay, up to the next one. Okay, here's a super cute pair of cropped capri jeans, and these are DG2 by Diane Gilman. So the listing says DG2, Diane Gilman, new cropped tab virtual stretch leg capri jeans petite, 12 petite. So there's my listing, and let's see, all in at $47.04. Thank you so much, Shelly. It was really a joy talking to you. If you were watching this, I enjoyed our little conversations back and forth. That always just makes my day when I hear from a buyer. It's so much fun. I just love it. If you have been on eBay for a while, you probably already know this. So this is going to be, it's close to £1, and it's really close. So I'm just going to send it priority. The post office has these free tie-back mailers, so I'm going to put it in there, and then I'm going to put it in here. And this is a flat rate envelope. You can see right here. This is the cheapest way to ship anything over £1 that you can fit in here most of the time. So make sure to look out for these. Definitely great to use if you can fit it in here. And also putting them in a plastic mailer helps them slide it in there better. It protects the item. Just remember to look for these if you're shipping, especially jeans. These are great for jeans. If they're not like big jeans, I would say, like, I ship a lot of boys, women's jeans. Plus size, I'd probably have to go to the flat rate bubble mailer. Let's see if I have one sitting here. Of course I do. Okay. And that's this one right here. And this is a little bit more money. And I do pass some of the savings on to the buyers because shipping is so expensive. And because I have top rated seller, I do get some discounts. And I pass some of it along. The other amounts that are left over, I just assume for shipping supplies, because it does cost to ship, and it does cost for printers and all that kind of stuff. So there is cost to shipping. Our newer, I thought I'd bring that up just in case you can save some money. That'd be great. Okay, so it fit in there perfectly. They're going out to Shelly. Thank you so much, Shelly. Okay, so here are some more sales that I'll just show you on the computer here. So this is a Karen Scott 1X Getaway t-shirt, top, cruise boat ship. Some of my descriptions are a little strange. Okay, so this one sold for $11.38 in shipping, and this one is going out to Judy in New York. Thank you so much, Judy. I appreciate your order. This is a Forever 21 medium sundress, and this one's going out to Jennifer in Pensacola, Florida. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I actually used to vacation in Pensacola, Florida, probably once or twice a year growing up because my aunt used to live there and my uncle was in the Navy, so I know the town extremely well. It's probably changed quite a bit since I've been there, but I've visited that town many, many times. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I appreciate your order. Okay, so here's the palm trees, aqua blue, yellow, green, oblong tablecloth with matching napkin set. And this is a vintage item that I got at an auction. And this was an estate auction that they were clearing out. This one sold for $15.60 and shipping. And this was actually pretty big to ship. Once I got it all folded up, I was like, oh my word, this is huge. So here's the pictures. I put it on my coffee table and took a picture of it just so people could see what it looked like laid out. And this one went out to Emily in California. Thank you so much, Emily. And I love selling any kind of linens. I love buying linens. I love selling linens. So next we have a 1994 vintage Mattel Kelly Barbie child doll, auburn hair, purple dress. I just picked this up at a local auction. And I think you can see it in one of my previous videos. She sold for $12.72 and shipping. So here it is right here on her back, and then you can see more details. And then you can tell when it was made, which is helpful. And this one went out to Kathy in Utah. Thank you so much, Kathy. Okay, so here is another one I just picked up, and I think I picked it up in the same lot as the doll that I just showed you. This is vintage Yamaha motocross motorcycle built fix-it wheel stand dirt bikes. $20.09 and shipping. A lot of interest in this one, and that sold really quickly too. So here are those little motorcycles, and I put them in a little tiny box. Actually just got this box in from something I ordered, so I just put it back in there, and I got some paper and all that kind of goodies. So I'm just going to stick some of this on here, and this is going out to Charles in California. Thank you so much, Charles. Okay, so next I'm pulling this item, and I just wanted to show you crazy filing system I have. So here's a filing folder that I have for these type of things. But I'm finding this to be a real pain in the patootie. So this is 1 to 2 should be here. This is in folder 2. This is in this folder, and it's number 2, so it should be in here. And it's not in number 3. I can see it though, I think. Where did it go? Okay, I can see it in 3. So it's in here. Okay, so here it is, and I might have to come up with a different system of filing these small ephemera pieces. If you have any idea, let me know. I would love to hear what you're doing. So this one sold for $13.34 and shipping. This one's going out to Adrian in California. Thank you so much, Adrian. So just a little tip here. I found this in the strangest area. I bought a man's tool kit. What do you call those things? It's like a toolbox that hangs on the wall. I don't know. Tool thingies? So I bought one of those, and this one, and it was full of a bunch of stuff in the back and just random pieces. And I found some really cool stuff in that. So don't disregard little tool thingies on the walls or little tool boxes. Definitely take a look at those, because sometimes you can find some good things. I've even found a diamond ring in a sewing box before, just kind of squished over to the side in a pocket. So definitely take a look at that stuff. When you part it all out, it's definitely worth listing. Okay, so I have these little bags, and these are like a small food bag. And I'm going to put this in here. And then I'm going to use this eBay envelope. Okay, so I have eBay standard envelope selected for this because it's so small. You would think that a little tiny sticker could go eBay standard. However, it does not. They will not let me ship it like that. I don't know why. Hey, eBay, we need to ship stickers eBay standard. That would be wonderful. You know, as you can see, it's smaller than a postcard, so if we could ship those stickers eBay standard, that would be great. So I'm going to bump it up to first class, and this one's going out today. So also, I just want to make note that I do put please do not bend on these kind of ephemera things, even though they're in a pretty thick, you know, hefty duty cardboard. I just want to make sure to put that on there. I don't want anything not to get there safely, so I just thought I'd make note of that. Here's a medium JCPenney sweater. It's new with tags, and this one's sold for $17.19 altogether. It's really cute. I love the colors. Perfect for summertime and spring. So this one's going out to Peggy in Illinois, not too far from me. Thank you so much, Peggy. And this one's going out probably first class. Okay, here it goes on its way. Okay, up next we have Sonoma Life size 16 khaki floral linen shorts. This is going out to Rachel in Oregon. Thank you so much, Rachel. And altogether in at $15.78. I did have a really big sale this weekend. Okay, and here is the last one. This is going out to Ella in Texas. And this is a vintage 1990s black velvet crucifix cross religious spiritual choker necklace. And that one I got in a Goodwill box. I've actually sold quite a few of these, and I didn't know if they would sell or not. And they have been really good sellers for me, actually. So this sold for $10.39 and shipping. It's definitely going to a nicer, warmer place than Michigan. Texas sounds wonderful. Okay, everybody, so that's all I have, and that's all I sold. So I hope you have an enjoyable day today, and good luck finding things. If you're a seller, good luck selling things. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.